Hi everyone! In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the Perspective Grid tool from your artboard. The Perspective Grid tool is right next to the Shape Builder. It's easy to click on the wrong button. Sometimes you might accidentally click on the Perspective tool, like this. Or you might be exploring Illustrator and click it out of curiosity. And it is great to explore, but if you click it accidentally or otherwise, it can be difficult to undo that. Clicking on the button again does nothing. As you can see, there is just options. Clicking this icon can be used to get rid of it. Or let me show you another way to do it. Go to the View menu and scroll down. Then you will see an option for Perspective Grid. If you hover your cursor over it, it will bring up a sub-menu. Click on Hide Grid. You may also notice there's a shortcut. Let me show you. See, Shift-Control-I. You can switch the grid on and off by using this shortcut. Let me show you. Control-Shift-I. It's here. Let's do it again. Control-Shift-I. It's gone. This is the faster way to get rid of it. You can switch the grid on and off easily. Simply, we pressed Control-Shift and I. I hope this helps. Good luck with your illustrations, everyone. Also remember to subscribe, like and comment. That will help me to make more videos. See you next time.